With multiple exchanges going bankrupt this year, Terra Luna losing 99% of its value, and an overall negative sentiment in the stock market and in investments in general, could this be the end for Bitcoin? Could this be the end for crypto in general? Everything is going down and people don't know what to do. They're FOMOing out of the market. They're taking all their investments and they're taking them out of the exchanges because they're scared that they're going to lose all of their money. Stay tuned because I'm going to break that down in this video. Let's start off with the Fed, because the Fed is controlling everything right now. They printed a lot of money during the pandemic and now they're trying to undo some of the damage that they did with the economy. The Fed printed 40% of all money circulating in the economy in the last 2 years, and that has led to the inflation that we're seeing right now. Obviously, gas prices, the prices for food, the prices for most things are going up because when you think about it, if you need a truck to bring the goods to the people and the truck uses gas and gas prices are going up, the price for everything is going to go up. And the reason why stocks are going down and crypto potentially is going to go down more as well, I have my fingers crossed for that, is because the Fed keeps raising interest rates. Not only are they raising interest rates, but they're also taking money out of the system that they already printed and put into the system to try to tamper down some of the effects that they had. Now, inflation is lagging, right? So some of the stuff that they did during the pandemic is now coming to bite us in the ass. Now, the next Fed meeting is going to be on July 15th, and people are already pricing this into the market. You can see prices going down for stocks, bonds, and some of the cryptos. But basically, here's the gist of what you need to know. The Fed has already raised interest rates 1.5% this year. They're scheduled to raise interest rates at least a full point by the end of the year minimum. So that means that there's 2 more rate hikes that are going to happen guaranteed by the end of the year. Every time the Fed increases interest rates, stocks and crypto goes down. Right now, crypto and stock market are correlated. That's not always the case. When I tell people to invest in Bitcoin, I hear them say, well, isn't Bitcoin not supposed to be correlated with the stock market? Why is it going down when the stock market goes down? Well, throughout Bitcoin's history, even since its inception, it's been correlated to the stock market at certain points. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. Sometimes it drastically outperforms it, sometimes it drastically underperforms it. But over time, when you zoom out and you look at the macro picture, it drastically outperforms any other asset class, period, at least for the last decade. We don't know how that's going to look for the next few years because the people who are buying Bitcoin are the same people who buy stocks, and they treat Bitcoin as a risk-on asset, meaning that when things get tough, like right now, they sell off their Bitcoin because they see it as a risk-on asset. They see it as volatile and risky to hold long-term, especially in these volatile times. But that's an opportunity for you and I because you and I see the big picture and we see the long-term benefits of owning Bitcoin. Now, I'm secretly hoping for higher inflation and I'm secretly hoping for higher interest rates. And the reason for this is because the worse things get, the better price I can get into and accumulate more Bitcoin. The higher interest rates go, the less demand there is in the market for homes, the less demand, the less money is exchanging hands, which creates a domino effect in the economy and makes everything crash, which inevitably leads to an economic collapse. Now, this only happens to people who don't own assets and who have not been investing and doing the right things. The next couple years are going to be ugly. A lot of people who are not prepared, who haven't taken the advice that I give on this channel or advice that other people have given them, are going to have a really tough time, but that's not going to be you because if you're watching this video, you're probably into crypto, you're into investing, you're into finance, and you're probably going to be okay if you invest your money properly. But I don't want to be all doom and gloom in this video because it's not all bad news. Right now is one of the best opportunities to build wealth for yourself. And you can't be looking at this as a get rich quick scheme. This is not going to be like Dogecoin. This is not going to be like Shiba Inu. If you want to invest in Bitcoin the right way, this is the channel for you. Right now, I'm working on a Bitcoin course, which is going to cover an A to Z guide on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general. This is going to cover blockchain technology. What is Bitcoin? Who created it? Why it's around? Why it's important to own Bitcoin? And why Bitcoin is the best cryptocurrency to buy right now in the bear market. But I need your help. I need your advice and I need your input. I'm building this course and I want to know what you guys would like to know or like to learn about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in general. You go down in the description and you click the first link, fill out a brief survey. It literally takes 30 seconds to fill out. I know because I've done it and I've timed it. That survey is going to help me massively, give me some feedback so I can better tailor the content in the course. And as a token of my appreciation for you guys filling out the survey, for the first 20 people that fill out the survey, they're going to get free access to the course when it drops. Not only do you get free access to the course, you get input on the information that's in the course, and you also get direct access to me to go back and forth and talk about some of the things you'd like to see in the course and just chat about cryptocurrency and finance in general. So click the first link in the description and fill out that survey for me, the first 20 people are going to get free access to the course when it drops. If you already invest in crypto, make sure to hit the second link in the description and sign up for FTX. If you use my link, you're going to get a free coin if you deposit $10 or more. And the best thing about FTX, 0 fees. I bought most of my Bitcoin on Gemini and I paid massive fees for it. Right now, all the fees I paid on Gemini for all my Bitcoin, I could go on FTX and purchase a few coins for that money. So make sure to sign up for FTX. Click the second link in my description. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future content when I drop that course. If you want to give me input, click the first link in the description and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.